Okay, this is the next one. This is a vintage 1980s Edison Box Fan. It's one of those, I think they're called Slim and Light or something. Very thin fan. It works good. It moves a lot of air. It's pretty loud though. Got it in the garbage. It's very thin. It's about as thin as a modern box fan. Got a nice blade on it though. It's a very big motor. It's a very, very big motor. There's a sticker. I don't know if it's gonna actually focus or not. Yeah. Trying to find a sticker on the inside of the fan, maybe on the bottom. It's not perfect. It's a little dirty. There is no sticker. There's some tape on it, and the reason is because the feet on it were taped on, or the foot on it was taped on. And I don't use it because it fall over, and I have the foot, but it's broken. And I have to find something. I'm thinking about getting a couple pieces of wood and cutting them to fit in there, in the slots. But I can just put it up here. On the case, it actually has 2 off settings. But on the knob it has 3 settings. So, Edison. Girl Edison is who made it. I guess I'll start on high. Medium. Low. Very powerful. Even for a 20-inch box fan, it moves a lot of air. The reason I'm so close to it is I'm sitting in the hallway and I have it propped up against the door. The startup sound here's high. Not really much of a startup sound. It's not quite stopped, but it's stopped enough. Medium. Stopped enough as far as I'm concerned. Low. Something interesting about these fans is the back grill is riveted to the case, but there's no struts that run either this way or this way. The motor is actually bolted to the back grill, as you can see. Those 3 bolts right there. 1 up there, 2 down there. Wire comes out there. These are kind of cheap box fans, but they weren't bad. They had the little holes in them for the stand. It might be a cheaper fan, but hey, it's lasted. It's gonna fall over, and because the motor is so big in it, it tends to sit like that anyway on a carpeted surface. A couple of broken grills. It's a little dirty still, but it's not perfect. But it's not that dirty at all. I might eventually clean it up really nice. This one has a lot of potential.